Welcome to Retailr. Open your Canva design. From the left menu, open Apps. Search for Retailr Signage. Select Retailr Signage from the search results. Click Connect to connect your Retailr account. Retailr login page will open in a new browser window. Enter your Retailr email address. Enter your password. Complete the verification process and next click Log In. Your Retailr account is now connected to Canva. Return to the Retailr Signage panel. Select Export to send your Canva design to Retailr. Show to option Export to Media and Export to Playlist. Choose Export to Media. Click Export Design. Select the PNG format, adjust the quality settings, and click Export. Your Canva design is now being exported to Retailr. And then second option next, select Export to Playlist. Select the playlist where you want to publish the design. Choose the required playlist from the list. Click Export Design. Select the PNG format, adjust the quality settings, and click Export. Your Canva design is now being exported to Retailr. The design has been successfully added to the selected Retailr playlist. Your content is now ready to be displayed on your digital signage screen.